Wonder why in today's digital-paced world, companies still do tax invoicing with the help of highly paid accountants? Well, that's too slow, cumbersome process. Being focused on core business, you don't have enough time to understand legal requirements to create tax invoices. And we understand your problem. Now it's time to replace your complicated traditional accounting software and subscribe to Instabill. No need for technical GST knowledge or support of accountant to manage your GST taxes. Simply pre-fill customer details with GSTIN, select product or service, and create and download an invoice. Share invoice with Pay Now button over email and WhatsApp. Get notified when payment is received. Automatically recorded payment and map to customer. Simple as that. With Instabill, you can secretly track customer email open. Send auto reminder till payment is received. Integrate banking. Surprisingly pay taxes. Income tax, TDS, GST too. Even when you are on the go. Use Instabill Mobile App to manage your business. No matter where you are. Instabill doesn't just save your money. It's also faster and more accurate. Send an accountant on holiday and automatically manage GST taxes by creating invoices and recording purchase expenses on Instabill. So lean back and have a sip of coffee. Rest assured with Instabill. Sign up now at instabill.co.